Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Both your LED TV and your device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, make sure the TV firmware is updated and the TV's cast or mirrorcast mode is enabled in settings. Next, on your phone or tablet, open the cast, screen mirroring, or smart view control and grant any location or permission prompts. This step pairs devices and establishes the discovery handshake. You do this now, so the TV can appear in the device's casting list immediately. You now select your TV from the device's cast list, and if prompted, confirm the on-screen PIN or code shown on the TV to secure the connection. Once connected, configure display options. Change the aspect ratio or resolution if your device exposes those settings, because that avoids letterboxing or overscan. Make sure audio routing is set to TV so sound follows the picture. Then test briefly by playing a short video. This verifies video, audio, and latency before you continue to full usage. To finish, stop casting from your device or the TV remote when you're done. This cleanly closes the session and frees resources. If you experience lag, dropouts, or audio sync issues, reboot your router, move devices closer to the access point, and close heavy background apps on your source device to reduce load. If the TV never appears, make sure guest mode or discovery is enabled. Check for AP isolation on the router. And as a last resort, perform a TV network reset to restore casting functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.